Please, you can all be seated as I invite Archbishop John Prince to lead us in the opening prayers.
Aham Charles Ndubisi Aworum, onye Imo State, Aba, Nwangele local government area. Aham onye egwuregwu, ana m ede na-eproduce kwe.
Egwuregwu nke ya bụ ana nke bụ na ndị mmadụ ada amazi mgbe isi o si na egwuregwu pụọ.
Gileji anya ị ga-ama ọ gị buru n'obi na onye awa onye egwuregwu gị chezi ama ihe ọla m mere wee egwuregwu ọkwe mgbe m na-atachi ihu mekwe ihe m chọrọ ime. O nwere ihe ọhụrụ anyị na-ebubata, ihe onyonyo a na-akpọ TSTV a na-ebubata na Naịjirịa ka o nyere ndị Naịjirịa aka, maka na anyị hụla ahụhụ amịchala ego anyị na-ala n'ụkpọrọ. O nwere ndị aka na-eru ebe ndị ọzọ ruru, ha anaghị enwetali ele ihe mmege n'ụwa niile, ejirizi weta ka eweda ya ka onye na-enwe ha onye aka na-anụ n'ọnụ nwere ike nweta ihe eji enweta dị very low. Onye ọbụla ga-enwetarịrị, onye ọbụla ke awụhụ sị ihe awụ ndị ukwu, ndị ihe awụ ihe ndị ukwu na-eme ihe mba. Onye ọbụla agbara ihu onye Igbo, ihu onye Naịjirịa, ị ga-enweta. O nwere akara aka ego ị ga-akwụ dị ihe ị ga-eji gaa zụrụ granọt gị were nwee ihe a mara ihe mege n'ụwa niile. TSTV bịara ka o mee ndị Naịjirịa mere ahụ obi.
Ọ dị ya maka ma ndị ogbenye ma ndị
ogbenye ma ọgaranya maka na ndị ka ọzọ wụ gị ga-eji ego ị ga-enwetali ya. Ọ na-eko gbado ugbu a anyị sịla ma ndị ogbenye ma ndị ọgaranya ị ga-enweta onye ọgaranya wetara gị ga-enwe gị ga-enweta. Gị mara ihe mega ụwa niile gị nọdụ n'ụlọ gị balance ọ na-enjoy ihe ndị ọzọ na-enjoy.
Ọ dị mma ya bụ ihe na-ekwu ebe niile ọ na ha adala
ahụ.
Kedụ obi dị gị na Nwafọ Igbo mere ihe a pụtara ihe a na
obi na-asọ m na onye wetara ihe a n'obodo Naịjirịa nwanne m nwoke. Ị na-ekwu Nwafọ Igbo ya dị ka ọwụ ihe a nwanne m nwoke mini ya si n'ofu steeti Imo steeti Chiama ofu ọ fọrọ ntakịrị ya wụrụ ofu local gọọmenti. So ihe a anyị na-elege ihe asị ihe m ọwụ ihe anyị niile onye ịnọ iwu onye Hausa iwuru onye Igbo iwuru onye Yoruba isoro nwere ya oke Naịjirịa.
Ọ bụ na anya ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche ha na-ewepụta abịa n'ụmụ ihe a ma nke ịntanetị ma nke ga-akpọrọ post subscription uche nke kedu otu ma Igbo kacha gị mma ị na-eche na ọ kacha baa uru ka emetụ n'obi
ka e na-emetụ m n'obi ke wifi a ke wifi ị ga-anọ n'ụlọ gị na-eji wifi ya akpọrọwa ihe ndị ị na-akpọ ịnọdụ n'ụlọ gị na-eme ihe ị chọrọ ime gị nọdịkwa n'ụlọ iji kpọ nwunye gị na telivishọn gị pịa ya na-ahụ gị na telivishọn gị na-ahụ onwe gị ya na-ahụ gị na-ahụ ya unu anọdụ na-ekwu ka unu nwere na telefon unu na-ele onwe unu na-ekwuru onwe unu ka dịka unu nọ nga otu ọ dị ịnọdụ gị pụọ gị legide ike egwu gị wepụ echi ịbịa chikwere ti gị bidokwa n'isi na-ele ka awụ ka ị ga-eti gị zụgharị ya ti gị ma ilerie ma ilehie ọ gaala ihe eji aghọgbugo anyị kemgbe echi ma gị gaa n'obodo ha ọkwa gị wepụ ya ọgwụla gị bịa gị tigekwe ya ma n'obodo anyị ha chaa anwụ ndị nzuzu ha na-eri ego anyị gị letụ ntakịrị ka elezi mụnta ahụ agaghala ego gị agaala ọwụ ihe dị mma ugbuo ka ha ga-ahụ ihe ewu egwuregwu ugbuo maka na onwe ihe dịka ihe nke gị mechaa gị gee ntị zaga oku tiga ihe ị wetara o nwere ebe ị ga-aga gị weta ha ele gị anya maka iwe anya nwekwa mgbe ha na-eme ihe ịsọmpi ha ya wụrụ ndị ahụ na-emere ha egwuregwu ndị na-ewin ihe maka awụka anyị gị mete ka ọma irie ka ọma otu ọ dị
mụnwa bụ Ọsọfịa Nwezigbo Nwokori na-asị gị ife abụ Ugwumba.
I'm Bright Echefu, the managing director, CEO of TSTV.
Okay, some people look at you and say, he's too young, maybe he's too small. How do you react to people that say, okay?
God's grace is something that is sufficient for everyone, irrespective of your age. There wouldn't have been a TSTV if not for the special grace of God. It's just fortunate for me that I'm the one God is using basically for this project. I want to assure Nigerians basically that TSTV is God's own project for Nigeria, and we will not disappoint Nigerians.
Okay, finally the day is here.
Yes.
How do you feel?
Very excited, and all thanks to God.
Tell us about some of the challenges you went through.
Well, for every novel work, there will be challenges from various forces and all of that. But the important thing is that beyond all those challenges, there's always a breakthrough, and that's where God's great love, becomes expressed. I have a lot of testimonies to give, but I know the story of TST will be told in a different way someday, when I will write the memoirs, leading to the establishment of TST. Probably when we launch our second year.
Okay. Before we leave, you are introducing a lot of special packages unknown to some of us.
Yes.
To you, which one appeals to you most?
The fact that Nigerians can now do what they thought was impossible, which is pay per view or pay as you view. That's something people said is impossible, but we have told Nigerians that it's actually possible. Other things are also unique. the internet, the content, and all of that. But the important thing is that Nigerians can now decide how they want to run their, their set-top box. You don't have to have a subscription that will expire whether you watch it or not. But this time around, you can actually control your budget and run your family the way you want it to be. So Nigerians can enjoy the best of entertainment, of course, properly guided as well.
The water was the break of them. So the air went to the border. That went back. He said, please, can I see your brother? 69E. Your brother is 69D. Please, can you talk to me? The honorable minister will soon be here. Now the brother come understand. Come go meet the brother for business class. Come whisper to him. Say, Lupa, help Lupa. Open your local, come out him back. So the air hostess were amazed. What did he tell him? That sounds so easy. They went to the brother and said, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Somebody will be trying to convince for over 5 minutes. What did you tell him? Then the brother said, no. Well, I don't tell anything more to walk. Well, I don't tell him. I said, the seat for your papa. Front one, not the go back, and one for back, and the go back. For the same thing. Please put your hands together for the Lord. Spirit go pursue, come climb valley, climb fence. Spirit, all that and they pursue person. Then finally the person come cross one big gut and the spirit doesn't pass the first stop. Because he say, I'll catch you for part 2. Which can take that? Then another patient who talk one day for tell her, count how more poison person. We don't only stop this thing that they happen on Nigerian movie. How you more poison person? Your husband married 2 wives, still not first wife, second wife. Now you get you jealous the other second wife's son. You want poison her after you come back from school. You go meet Babalawo, collect poison, come out from your glove, come put down for the boy food when they watch. Go use your hand, come turn now. Go in the car. Now this Baba dance. You go walk away. I never work for your home. Even if we are known, there's nothing I don't know before. Everybody always go with me. If people are going, they are all different. They will make every point for that year. Don't say the phone. Once in a while, we take a brand. This is where Veronica wiped the face of Jesus. Hey, Veronica, wipe the face of Jesus. Man, that is good, though. That is the sport there. It's alright. I'll come and fetch the sun later for middle books. Then was okay, this is River Jordan, where John baptized Jesus Christ to confess to him. It's tasty. I think I need to get 2 gallons so I can save my young people. Then the question is, but if you cross to the other side of the river, Jesus Christ will perform that miracles there. But we need to go to the other side. The question is, I'm not going, I'm not just going to the way they enter the boat, the person but to cross to the other side of the river, you pay $100. You go and come jump for what? You also cross to the other side of the river to see the rules or pay $100. No wonder Jesus Christ decided to walk on the water by himself. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Osama, please give him a round of applause.
The glory of God and thanks to my God. It's my pleasure to unveil the TST, latest in Africa.
This is the latest decoder. We will just pass directly and the owners of the take a group photograph just on here now. Please, sir, we'll just take a group photograph. Let's just line up. Let's take a group photograph. Please, come forward. Can we all return back to our seats? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this is the model of what the TSTV decoder looks like. Can we give TSTV another round of applause? All right.
Upurubios Igwe Jenga.
Ibo kwenu. Ibo kwenu. Ibo kwenu.
Ana m ekele ndị Igbo iji gwa ha na TSTV wonke anyị wonke Nigeria, and ana m agwa unu so agaghị disappoint unu. TSTV wonke anyị. Chukwu gozie onye ọbụla. Amen. Ana m ekele Riwendo TV on TSTV. Unu ele Riwendo TV. Ugwu ndị Igbo.
We've been on this for about a year now. We've been through a lot of challenges, and I'm happy to inform Nigerians today that TSTV is ready to stay. For the first time in Nigeria, there is something novel happening to the pay TV industry. And that's why we are happy today that what we have been building over the months is finally a reality. What this means is that Nigerians can now enjoy what they have been clamoring for all the while, which is pay per view. For those who may not understand what it means, what we're trying to do is, what we've always had over time is you subscribe for your decoder, and then over a period of time, whether you watch it or not, it expires on its own. But for the first time now, all that is changing. Your money only runs when you watch your. Aside that, we also offer Nigerians internet service. This is complimentary with your subscription. The cheapest subscription you can ever think of when it comes to pay TV industry in the whole of Africa is what we are modeling with, or we're creating here in Nigeria. Now, what we've done is this. We recognize that quite a lot of Nigerians will not be able to afford to budget monthly for their subscription. So we created a model for them to accommodate even the peasant farmer, those living in small villages who can't afford a regular 3,000 naira. We have paid as our highest subscription fee. So what it means is 200 naira, you can actually watch all your channels for just paying. You have 500 naira, you can actually watch all your channels as well, also for a period of time. The good thing is that our product is not stratified, kind of. It's open to everyone. It's the same thing all through. What the rich enjoys is what the poor enjoys. It's the same thing. By God's special grace, from this afternoon, Nigerians can enjoy a minimum of 70 premium channels. And then the decoder is actually a PVR decoder. So what it means is that you can actually rewind the programs, pass it forward. is offering us enough internet capacity to accommodate all Nigerians. Wow. So what it means is that once you subscribe, because our products have been built in such a way that it's also an input router that can enable you connect up to 15 people comfortably. Once you subscribe, you get complimentary internet service. And for small and medium scale enterprises, you don't have to budget for internet anymore. Aside that, we also have a feature on our phone called video call. This allows all Nigerians and everyone to be able to do video conferencing. So I can be in the comfort of my home and call my father and look him in the face and he see me as well. And the most important for everyone is your ability to pause your subscription if you must travel. So what happens is this: if you need to travel for a while, you don't have to fear. You can as well just press the pause button on your remote control and your subscription is temporarily suspended. TSTV is modeled for Nigerians, yes, for our people. You are too much. And I want to assure us, as true as our services are, we have actually built our services in such a way that it can actually be business friendly as well. People might be wondering, how will we break even with all these GC offers? I can guarantee you today, 10 years from now, TSTV will still be existing. God has blessed us with the right people. We have over 250 staff working day and night to ensure that TSTV stands. I want to assure Nigerians that this journey that started today will not fail you guys. We're going to deliver on our promises. With God on our side, we're going to mark our 10 years anniversary. God bless us all in Jesus' name.
He deserves a standing ovation. Now we give him a clap. Dr. Bradley Sheffield. You see the grandfather is smiling. The uncle, the cousins, the wife, the children. See the father hugging the son. Say, my son, I am proud of you. The uncle is hugging him. Nigerians are clapping for this young, dynamic, enterprising young man. Thank you very much. Can we all be seated? And you can hear them singing Solidarity Forever. That is to show you who they are. Greatest Nigerians today. Greatest Nigerians today. From that singing, you can know who they are.
Well, we've gone relatively far. We could have gone much further than we've gone. In 1958, my father was the one that successfully moved the motion for Nigeria's independence in Parliament. And now he fought against the British colonialists together with all the other great nationalists that we had in those days. And we got emancipation, we got our independence. Our generation and my fight, and the fight of my generation, is to free our country from the hands of the fascists, the internal colonialists, and those that I believe have not allowed us to have a level playing field. So we are also fighting for emancipation. That's the calling of our generation. And 57 years down the road, I believe that we've gone quite far, but by God's grace, we'll go much further. And eventually all our people will feel emancipated and will feel like equal citizens in a great country called Nigeria. And to do that, we have to restructure. So I sincerely hope this coming year, that this government and the Nigerian people will fight for the whole era of restructuring.
Mazi Emekike.
Ya bụ ha na-ekwu okwu ka mgbe ọ dị m ka ebere na mgbagbu ụdị na ụfọdụ na-asị ọ ga-ekwukwo mme ogekwukwo mme ọgụ na ya bụ ihe ego na etu obi dị gị ka etu isi
obi dị m ụtọ nụ obi dị m ụtọ maka ife anyị na-ekpe ekpere ya erugo ife anyị na-eme prayers for anyị na-ekpe ka ọ dị okay and we thank God that eventually we go our own local content channel so I didn't ka Bushmen again in Nigeria na my efe na Ghana so we have young men who could create and design templates that could change the game. So Obi di Motona and go on air right now.
I'm not to talk about Bagassi. I will go for them. I'm not asking any and I'm TSTV and I'm launching.
I got forever page. And the most important thing I know on air now, because I can him as rubbish. Most important thing I know on air keta. So ndi nekpe pere kariga on air. Shame on them. Ndi webe mo na wono Obi di Motona I nwete go nka anyi o nka okwa ndị mba no ndị Imo State na-emekwa eve a ụmụnye mba no Dr. Bright onye mba no so ife ụmụ afọ tikọrọ isi yes can save Nigeria from the crisis of foreign investment brouhaha as egbu anyị na investment so unu join anyị unu be with us I'm gonna be happy to celebrate with you.
In Benin, that 97, 96, not be now, TV station don't do well. For Benin, our TV station are ITV, they get 6 adverts where you must hear for that TV station. Whether they pay, they don't pay, will they play? If you just do like this in the night, you don't hear. The company where they get the money nyafu. I don't pass go here open the boutique for today man and woman. Open the boutique for all type of clothes and for your accessories. Open the boutique. I don't finish go here Iyare Motors. Ide come Iyare Motors. I don't finish go here Humber line. West Equipment. Your line ain't good pass. Your driver they go they come back. Your boss is not here over new chassis. I know say every Friday person must die. The person not die, they kill him. Because they get adults from Benin when they bury food, they grow from small beginning till they grow. Every Friday, the price must fall out. You not get it, won't take it. So, steady our TV, they get very advert. As you just like, God be with you till we meet again. We, the family of Osadiaye Oserowe, wishes to announce the passing away of our father, grandfather, and great-grandfather. He survived with 13 children, 10 are here, 3 are based abroad. Ireti Osadiaye, Italy, Akpofure Osadiaye, Canada, Urabosa Osadiaye, Germany. God be with you till we meet again. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, madam. Out there, Dr. Koboko.
But I'm very happy to say that today, Bright, who is one of our very own, and who has set up something that is purely Nigerian, has also joined the fray. And he's somebody that never fails in anything that he does. And that is why I'm here today to support this. He's somebody that is diligent, hardworking, and very clear thinking. And I'm really very proud of you. I'm proud of your wife, I'm proud of your family. I see Alison sitting there, my old friend from Ben TV, and I'm very proud of him as well. This is the area that we need to excel in. I'm also proud of the fact that the government of Buhari and also the Honorable Minister of Information and Culture has supported this venture. It's not often that I agree with them, but on this one I do agree, and I commend them. I commend that ministry. Specifically the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, which I presided over almost 10 years ago. I'm very proud of you, and I'm very proud of this effort. I'm also proud of those from Nollywood that are here. My beautiful wife Precious is also an actress in Nollywood, and I get to hear all the gist, and I'm delighted with the power and the strength of Nollywood.
and all the entertainers and all the comedians. And this is what Nigeria is all about. The fact that we can let the world know about our beauty, our strength, our talent, and to project that into the international community and let the world know that we have so much to offer. Now, I wish you well, Brian. I wish your institution well. I wish your company well. And I assure you that millions from all over the world are banking on you to flag that flag high and to make Nigeria proud. You've already done it. But you will go well past 10 years. You will excel from year to year, from decade to decade. And this institution will last. It will not wither away. And we shall be proud of being Nigerians once again. Thank you very much indeed. May God bless you. May God bless Nigeria.
Yeah, we had John Hannah Sweet, the house done a high video tata. And I got them got up pairs to go, pairs to view. A better way by making a budget choir. That's Yenaba, a Gregane, Chay, but we do what those of the Mia, Habiduka maybe or Dababa. Hey, Macadabas na Olaso could be or Dababa Fuma and the Melquara and Hadababa.
My onion on his Yabon or never TSTV. Was a great to be the
Gibalebens will be here, one will be the most so. We go no, governor Pando, what people are anywhere, and Kai, Hebanoga Nebaya Pastalo, whom we hear in the Bone, Mepakunde Bugutia, Makana, Kitan, where we had a bomb, just about competition, Hanandi Kozo, Agana Bomba, Makanaga, Kariaka, Mano, what he had each, maybe he and also them, is Subia. Makano, you big, Kewunis, Obrizo, so I put it. Na onye bai ai ma ihe asina amami history na owa ya nwe bia obugula amami ha we bata maka bwa na ebe mu GSM ihe ndos ogoro de bai puta ba kan de bai puta ai ga kwadi akwadi sei ife
modu puriche ogbo kwa mo me puriche nya ha makwanye
ndu modu a na-enye ha buru ihe ọzọ onwego ndị nọ tupu ha abata ha bịa ha ewegote aka ọ na ndị nke a na-agba egwu otu ha agba nke ha mara ebe ndị nke a na-eme nwa ya na-emefi emeghe eme gịnị ha ewelie ya elu ya na-akpọ improvement ihe ndị ọzọ na-eme ha n'idi ihe ya ka e wee nede ha anya ka ndị ọzọ wee sobe ha maka gịnị ha chọrọ sị bịawa ihe ha meta ga-eme na ndị mmadụ bịakwute ha mana ama m na ha ga-eme ọfụma maka echiche obi ha dịka nsi wee gụta n'akwụkwọ amaka ha ga-eme ọfụma afa m bụ Steve Ebo abụ m onye so na-eme ihe onyonyo abụ m onye achị n'Enugu steeti Igbo ekene m unu
aha nwa Maazị Ugochukwu Mmadụ obi dị m mma obi asọgbuo m ọ ihe dị mma bịakwutere obodo anyị Naịjirịa ọnwa afọ obodo a nwa afọ Naịjirịa okay ọnwa afọ Igbo ọnwa afọ Igbo yes
ụmụaka anyị ụmụafọ anyị bụ ohere ka ha jiri ọnatarachi ha mee ihe bara uru
ihe hụrụ ebe a na-eme ihe a na-akwado okwu a na-akpọ TSTV Africa ọwụ aka ọrụ nwa afọ Igbo nlabụrụ ụlọ chee ya eche kwado ya kwado ndụmọdụ menye ụmụafọ Igbo bụ onye nọ n'ofu ebe nọrọ n'oche ha kunie ha chebere ihe ha nwere ike ime n'aka ha echezina ka gọọmenti obodo bịanyere ha aka enwe ha ga-eme ha ekunie kwado ya oge ga-erukwado mgbe gọọmenti ga-achọwazi ha wee nyere ha aka iji nyere Naijiria aka Naijiria obodo anyị inye obodo anyị aka ọ bụrụ ihe maazị ịgba gị eziokwu nwanne m nwoke ọ bụrụ ihe ụmụaka ọ bụrụ obere ihe origo ego origo akọ na uche mgbagharị
agbago agbada abịa ịgbari na obodo niile a ịgbari pụọkwa ije bunata ihe eji wee eme imi ya ka onwe isi ka onye ọbụla nwee ike na ahụ ya ebe ọbụla nọ na Naịjirịa ọ bụrụ obere ihe anyị kene Chukwu n'obi dị anyị mma maka ihe niile agbakara aka na-eme kemgbe afọ 5 orugo mgbe ọ ga-eru ndị obodo anyị aka ihe ọma dị mma ụmụafọ Igbo mma na ya gaziere unu ọ dịrị nwoke mma ọ dịrị nwaanyị mma ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ aha anwụ Maazị Ugo Mmadụ ndị oyibo na-akpọ ya corporate communications. I am the head corporate communications. Ọmụ na ahụ maka ịgbazi ozi gbasara TSTV Africa n'obodo Nigeria niile. Ọwa aka ọrụ mụ na ndị otu m ọgbọ ofufu.
I want to congratulate Dr. Chief for his courage and belief in his country. His courage to come up from the diaspora to invest in the industry, and his belief in Nigeria that really this government is serious about diversifying this economy. Yes, it is true that we came out of recession recently, but the good thing about coming out of recession is that that recovery was led not by the oil sector, but by the non-oil sector, notably agriculture, manufacturing, creative industry especially that, Now, the important thing about what Dr. Ejim has done today is that he has redefined the pay per view and the television industry. And from today, that industry will never be the same again. What Dr. Ejim has done is to democratize the media, democratize the entertainment industry, and make it possible for even the farmer to have access to the best entertainment in the world. Dr. Chief, you have come at a very good time, because this government only recently granted a pioneer status to the creative industry. And what this means, Dr. Chief, is that you will be entitled to a 3-year tax relief. Also will not pay any tax on dividend. The creative industry remains the greatest ambassadors in this country. Today I'm talking about Hollywood. I'm talking about music. I'm talking about fashion. Talking about theaters, because this is one area where Nigeria rules the world. And only 2 days ago in London, Whiskey played to 5,000 audience, was only room standing in the St. Albert Hall. And I think this is one of the biggest that has happened to Nigeria. Of this industry to the economy, and this government will continue to support you and encourage you.
Keep looking at my stomach and I will feel I don't need food. In all honesty, I wasn't always like this. Before I got married, I was one slim, fine, 6-pack, sexy-looking guy like Dr. Bright. Why are people surprised? Nothing to show. Recently, June 19th precisely, I celebrated my 18th year wedding anniversary. Not because I was not happy. When I look at myself now, and I took a trip to look at our wedding photographs, and I knew my wife was very wicked. Look at what she has done to the fine boy. You know what she told me? Because she's an Igbo lady. He said, look, among all the girls that were surrounding you, decided to choose me. I have to do something to keep you by my side. And she started by telling me, darling, you are looking skinny. She gave me Cipron, multivitamins. Before I know, I started eating anything I see the results. Now she's asking me to lose weight. How manage? Belen get advantage. When I came here today, some people thought I was a senator. If I'm driving towards a checkpoint, and I notice the checkpoint in front now, police, because I saw that checkpoint behave. Police, soldier checkpoint, a guy was coming one day in a hurry. He forgot that they were there super. Those boys, they know the real word. I tried enter checkpoint. Instantly. The soldier says, like, you are very much in a hurry, sir. Please come down, sir. Climb on top of your car and be waving every other person back. Now, this other guy who did not know what happened, now ran into them. And the some guys like, you know, don't worry, we have to keep you busy. They kept 100 blocks to build that on one side. They said, carry them across the road. And the mine has carried up to 90, remaining 10. Only for everybody say, oh, correct, short, sir. Only for him to turn. Just because you knew somebody when you were in primary school does not mean the person is the same person now. He now noticed that guy was a primary school friend. He said, oh, what? Are you in your block? The guy said, yes. Say, your boys won't kill me here. 6 months in a block and they carry. I don't carry 90 blocks in the 10. Then the man told me, what is wrong with you? Will you catch this in this place, my friend? My brother, I don't return the blocks. So if I approach a police checkpoint, all I just do is I recline my seat, shoot out the stomach, hold the steering. Officer, how are you? And you just say, your boys are here. Because as far as Nigerians are concerned, pot belly, now money. For now pocket, now lie, now for sure. Don't come near me.
Igwe Jenga.